mo kí gbogbo ọmọ káàárọ̀ oòjíire káàkiri orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin àgbáyé pàápàá jùlọ gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Òwe wa ò ní o. Àgbájọ ọwọ́ báyìí la fi sọ̀yà, ọwọ́ kan ò gbẹ́rù lórí. Well, that adage is clearly stating that collaboration and cooperation will help us achieve more and faster. And it is supported more that one hand cannot carry a heavy load to the head. Beautiful. But today's Yoruba interpretation of that adage is wrong. Kì í ṣe la fi sọ̀yà, like hit your chest. No. It is la fi ń ṣe ọ̀yà. And what is ọ̀yà? Ọ̀yà is just a collaboration amongst farmers to help them produce and achieve more. For example, 2, 4, 5 farmers will go to one of them in that group will go farm his farm. 4 or 5 people can achieve way more than only him would have achieved. So they shift from his farm to another person's farm in that same group next day or some days after to help that person. You'll see that with that, productivity for each will be higher. You understand? And that's why the elders say, Àgbájọwọ́ la fi ń ṣe ọ̀yà, not sọ̀yà ṣe ọ̀yà. Collaborate with people to achieve more. Ẹja máa bọ̀rọ̀ wá ní. Ó dìgbà mìíràn, ẹ ṣeun.